Today in this class we are going to discuss about question number 2, exercise 11.3, surface areas and volume. What about this question? Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius. In the question number first one we are having radius and slant height. In the question number second one we are having height and slant height. Observe, simple question. We want capacity of a conical vessel. It means capacity is what? Capacity of a conical vessel means volume of a conical vessel. Capacity means capacity showing volume. So we will use this formula to find capacity of a conical vessel. We will use volume of a cone, and it is the 1/3 of a volume of a cylinder. 1/3 pi r square h. R is what? R is what? Observe, we are having one cone. This is the cone. We want what? We want its volume. This is the cone. So cone having base of a cone is what? Circle, and its radius is what? Small r. Its height is what? H. This is the height of a cone, and this one is what? Slant height. This is what? Slant height. Small l is what? Slant height. So once two things we are having, third one how we will calculate? By using Pythagoras theorem. This is a right triangle. This is the right triangle in which we apply the Pythagoras theorem. Then we can say hypotenuse square L square slant height square will be base square radius R square plus height perpendicular square H square. So this is the formula. Once we are having two things, then remaining thing we can find. So I am taking question number first one. What about its solution? First one I am taking given. What things we are having given? Radius of a cone r equal to what? 7 centimeter. Now another thing, we are having slant height, and it is denoted by small l, and it is what? 25 centimeter. We want what? Capacity of a conical vessel. It means volume of a cone we want, in which we require 1/3 pi r square h. Radius and height we want, but we are having radius and slant height, so we require height. H1 we want. L is what? Slant height. So for finding volume or capacity we require radius and height. So two things, radius and slant height we are having. So how we will find what? Height. So L square equal to what? R square plus H square. From this one we can say H square will be L square minus R square. Finally H will be what? Square root of L square minus R square. Put the values of given things. So H will be what? Value of L. L is what? L we are having 25 square minus R is the radius, and it is the 7 square. So all these things. So H will be square root of 625. 25 square is the 625 minus 7 square is the 45. So all this one, what we are getting? H equal to square root of 15 minus 9 6 1 11 minus 4 7 and 5 is remaining. What about its square root? Its square root H equal to 24 centimeter. This is the height of a conical vessel. We obtained the height. We are having radius, base radius of a conical vessel, and the slant height we are having. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we obtain what? Height of a conical vessel. Clear? So now we want what? Capacity. Capacity of a conical vessel. Capacity of a conical vessel, and this is what? Capacity of a conical vessel, and this is what? Volume of a cone. So we will use this formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Capacity of a conical vessel we want. So formula will be what? Volume of a cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Put the values. 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7. R is the radius. It is what? 7 centimeter. 7 into 7, and h is the height of a cone. We obtain 24. Now solve this one. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja. 3 8 ja 24. 8 times it is going. What is the remaining? 22 into 8 7 ja 56. Multiply both. 56 multiplied by 22. What we are getting? 56 multiplied by 22. 6 2 ja 12. 1 is remaining. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 1 11. Observe. 6 2 ja 12. 1 is remaining. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 1 11. 2 3 2 1. What we are getting? 1232 centimeter cube we obtained. But we require capacity in a liter. What? We require capacity in liters. So we know well 1 centimeter cube will be 1 upon 1000 liter. 1 upon 1000. 1 centimeter cube equal to what? 1 upon 1000 liter. So this can be converted into literage. We will divide by 1000. So 1232 divided over 1000. So what we are getting? Point will be there. 1 point, what we are getting? 1.232. So 1.232 liter will be the answer in a required result. So what we are getting? Simple. Capacity in a liters we want of a conical vessels. So we are having formula volume of a cone in which R and H required. So we are putting the values and solving. We are getting 1232 centimeter cube, but we require in the liter. So 1 centimeter cube is what? 1 upon 1000 liter. So we are dividing this one from 1000, then we are getting 1.232 liter. Now I am taking next one, question number second one. Two things we are having: height and slant height. So height and slant height we are having. L square minus h square. L square minus h square. Clear? This is the R. Same L equal to, L is value 13. L equal to what? 13. And H is what? 12. Solve this one. 13 square minus this one will be 13 square will be 169, and 12 is a 144. Solve this one. What we are getting? 25, and its square root is what? 5 centimeter. So radius is what we are getting. Once we are having height equal to 12 centimeter and slant height equal to 13 centimeter, then we require what? Radius. So again we are using Pythagoras theorem. We are putting the values and solving. We are getting radius equal to 5 centimeter. Now capacity of a conical vessel. Solve this one. How we will solve? Observe carefully. Again same formula, 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi is what? 22 by 7 into r square, r is what, 5, r is what, 5 into 5, and h we are having in the question 12. Solve this one. 3 1 ja 3, 3, 3 4 ja 3 4 ja 12. Clear? Now this can be written as 22 by 7 into 5, 5 5 ja 25, 25 into 4, 100. Clear? In a centimeter cube. This can written as what? 22 by 7 can be written as 3.14. Solve this one. We are getting 100 will be cancelled. 314 centimeter cube. Clear? Now what about its liter value? We will divide this by 1000. Then we will put point there. So we are getting 0.314 liter will be the answer. Observe what we are doing in this question. We are having height and slant height. So first we will find, we require r and h. H we are having, but we don't have what, r. So we require r. So we are using Pythagoras theorem, L square equal to r square plus h square. Then we are solving for the r and we are getting r equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? Now we want capacity of a conical vessel. It is the volume of a cone, 1 upon 3 pi r square. Putting the values and solving, we are getting 314 centimeter cube. This is the volume of a conical vessel or capacity of a conical vessel. But in the liter, we will divide 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So we are dividing from 1000, then we are getting 0.314 liter will be the capacity of a conical vessel. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.